can fix stock update in random percentage. There are very easy solution. First, go to Start menu, type Services, and click on here. Press W to find out Windows Update. And this is right click and Properties, and after this with Automatic, and this click Stop last time, and click Start and Apply and OK. First step. The second step is go to the troubleshoot option, troubleshoot setting, and go here troubleshoot and additional troubleshoot here, and find out Windows Update. Here is Windows Update. Just click that and run the troubleshooter, and this troubleshooter will fix the problem stock in random percentage while updating the Windows. It's checking pending restart. Okay, detecting the problems, initializing the diagnostics, checking registry keys, starting this service. It also couldn't notify the problem, and okay, these are the tips, and just try. And after restart the computer, just restart the computer and check whether the problem fixed or not. Okay, problem fixed, let me know in the comment box, and do like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.